Hello friends, I am your host Ken and I came back with a brand new video. Our today video is related to high protein plant foods. In this video, we will discuss why protein is important for human health and development, and also discuss the top high protein plant based foods. Friends, proteins are vital nutrients for human body. These nutrients serve as fuel and also build the body. Protein is very important nutrient needs for human body for the growth and maintenance. Apart from water, proteins are the plenteous kind of molecules in the body. Protein can found in all cells of the body and is the main structural element of all cells in the body. Basically, protein is a micronutrient that is vital to structure muscle build. Micronutrients are very important for human life. Then we have three micronutrients. Number 1, protein, carbohydrates, number 3, fats. The core function of these micronutrients is providing energy or calories to human body. Body requires a large amount of micronutrients. Friends, 1 gram protein contains 4 calories and 15% of human weight. Most of people like vegetable-based foods, so friends, we will discuss top high protein plant-based foods one by one. Number 1, lentils. Friends, lentils are rich source of protein and can be added to lunch or dinner. You can add lentils in your curries, salads or with rice. Half cup of cooked lentils containing 8.84 gram of protein. Lentils are good source of fiber as well. Lentils can help to reduce the heart disease, may help in some type of cancer and also very helpful in weight loss. All in all, lentils are great high protein plant-based food and good source of protein. Number 2, almonds. Almonds are another plant-based protein food. Almonds are great source of vitamin E and protein. Half cup of almonds contains 16.5 gram of protein and almonds are very good for eyes and skins. Number 3, spirulina. Red blue green algae which is full of powerful nutrients known as spirulina. Spirulina is rich source of protein, iron, thiamine and copper. 2 tablespoons of spirulina contain 8 gram of protein and 25% of daily requirement of iron and thiamine and 42% of daily copper requirement. Spirulina has the good amount of potassium, magnesium and riboflavin. Spirulina also has the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Hence, spirulina is another vegetable high in protein nutrients with many health benefit properties. Number 4, green peas. Green peas are very valuable high protein plant-based food. Green peas are rich source of protein, high in vitamins and minerals. 1 serving cup of cooked green pea contains 9 gram of protein. A serving cup of green pea almost covers the 25% daily requirement of fiber, vitamin A, C, K, thiamine, folate and manganese. Green pea also rich in iron, phosphorus, zinc and copper. Number 5, hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are another good source of vegetable-based protein food. Hemp seeds comprises a decent quantity of complete high digestible protein as well as health promoting vital fatty acids in ratio ideal for human health. Hemp seeds are another good source of vegetable-based protein food. Hemp seeds comprises a decent quantity of complete high digestible protein as well as health promoting vital fatty acids in a ratio of ideal for human health. Although not as well known as other seeds, hemp seeds contain 10 gram of complete, easily digestible protein per ounce. That is 50% more than chia seeds and flax seeds. Hemp seeds are also rich in magnesium, iron, calcium, zinc and selenium, as well as good source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in the ratio imitated optimal for human health. Number 6, beans with rice. Eating beans and rice separately cannot provide the complete requirement of protein. Eating them together can provide 7 gram of protein per cup. Number 7, potatoes. Friends, potatoes are great source of protein, potassium and vitamin C. A large baked potato contains 8 gram of protein per serving. You can add 2 tablespoons of hummus equal to 3 gram protein with potatoes to add up flavor and protein content. Number 8. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are multi-purpose source of vegetable protein. Chia seeds are also full of variety of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other health-promoting compounds. Chia seeds comprises a decent amount of iron, calcium, selenium, and magnesium, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and various other beneficial plant compounds. Number 9. Satan. Friends, when we find list of vegetable-based protein foods, a name came up top of the list is satan. Satan is simulated meat made from wheat gluten. It is high protein content, meat-like texture, and versatility make it popular plant-based protein choice among many vegetarians and vegans. Number 10. Quinoa. Friends, quinoa is a super healthy, high-protein plant-based food. 1 cup of quinoa contains 8 grams protein. Quinoa is technically a seed. Quinoa is normally mentioned as whole grain and can be used in the place of other grains like rice and pasta. 1 cup of cooked quinoa offers 8 grams protein and 5 grams refined fiber. Quinoa is complete protein because it comprises all vital 9 amino acids. Friends, I hope information provided in this video will help you to find out super healthy and full of protein plant-based foods. Thanks for watching the video. Please share the video and also subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about all new videos. Thanks.